Hi, my name is Michael Ledger. I'm with a company called Design Ideas. We're out of Springfield, Illinois, and I'm going to be showing you a few items today. The first one is an item called lookers. This has become very big in the industry. The interesting part about this item is, though it's well known now, when we first brought it to market, it was an application of vinyl material over stretched wire that hadn't been done before. And the point here is that though it's not, it's another stage of its lifestyle at this point, what we try to do is find new things, bring them to market, and if it all works out well, it goes on to become a staple in the industry, which I think this is a good example of. The next item I'd like to talk about is EcoGen. As I was mentioning with vinyl, that's an item that's gone through much of its life cycle. Here we have an item that we brought to market about 1.5 years ago. It's the first and only 100% biodegradable plastic. It's made of corn. If you put it in a compost, buried in a compost, within 6 to 12 months it will begin to degrade, and eventually it will return completely to earth. But as you can see, this is a soap dish. It's a very strong piece of plastic and would hold up to normal use for as long as you chose to use it. But once you're done with it, if it gets buried in a compost, it returns to earth. The first generation of product we came out with was bath accessories, which included these pieces you see here, a toothbrush holder, soap dish, a bin. Then we came out with these boxes, again, same material. These boxes have a very nice fit to them, and they're good for jewelry, little office organizational pieces. And then the most recent piece we came out with this season is magnet bins, and they have been received very well. Again, same material, very durable plastic with magnets on the back. They can support quite a bit of weight, allows you to get things off your desk and utilize wall space wherever you may have a metal surface that you can apply that magnet to. So this is an item that we're very excited about. We think it can make a difference for the world, the environment. Every little bit counts, I think, and this is an item that we feel is going to be a part of that solution, and we're looking forward to seeing it move through and mature in its life cycle. Design Ideas is an innovator and industry leader in mesh organizational products, both for your desk and home. We've been doing this for years. As I mentioned with the lookers earlier, this is another example of an item that's been around for several years. Of course, everybody has seen mesh at this point. We still produce a lot of it for a lot of important customers. It's a mature product in its life cycle. But in the interest of trying to find new ways, new materials to accomplish the same task, we've come out with this product line called Vinea. Here we have very similar forms, but we're using a new material, punching the metal. The other thing we were looking to accomplish with this piece was creating a more feminine look. And with Vinea, we think we've done that. There's this kind of bind pattern to it, this beautiful white finish. So it's an opportunity to take a desk and give it a more feminine feel, something nicer to set and look at, since you're at work so many hours of the day, at home or in the office, and this is an opportunity to create a little extra beauty. So here, with these materials and with that process of stamping the metal, we have a more feminine pattern. We also have various other patterns for different looks, as you can see, and we do these in various colors as well. Here we have black and lavender. So again, we keep looking for new ways to do things, and we think with this we've accomplished that.
Good. Okay. And anytime you're ready to start.
Okay. Gel Mania, gel gems. This is something we brought to the United States market, and it has been a huge success for us. Just tremendous, unbelievable. If you'd asked us 7 years ago what we thought this could be, I don't think any of us would have dreamt. Again, here we keep looking for new ways to do this. We've come up with a lot of different processes for gel gems. As you can see, here's glitter. We have silk screening abilities, inset abilities, a lot of different ways to create aesthetics for gel. The newest thing we've come out with, which we're introducing right now, are LED gel Mania and gel gems. Here we have the gel product. Inside is an LED. These are connected to a power supply with a switch on it. You can flip the switch and it creates 4 different patterns. And here you see a random blinking. Some are on constantly. If you put these on a window in a dimly lit room or at night, it's amazing how beautiful they are, how bright a light it creates. And when you see these pieces, the gel just glows. The light really works throughout the gel gem. And here again, Design Ideas is finding ways to take a product which we brought to market in the United States, a gel gem, come up with new materials, new ways to create design in this medium. And the latest example of that, our LED Gel Mania, which we think is going to be really received well. And again, that's the kind of the idea behind our company, is to try to take materials, methods, and continue to evolve those. And that's who we are.